Welcome to the manufacturing facility of Qasem Lamps Limited, the first and by far the largest manufacturer of gas lighters in Bangladesh. Established in 2006, the ISO-certified Qasem Lamps has quickly become the most trusted and reliable source of lighters in the country, with their sleek designs, competitive prices, and incomparable quality. Join us as we go behind the scenes to get an exclusive look at how sunlight lighters are produced. The first step in producing lighters is to take the main raw materials. Two types of plastic particles and coloring are mixed together. This mixture is loaded into hoppers so that they can be fed directly into injection molding machines, where the main body, lid, and other plastic components of the lighter are formed. Once these components are made, the lid is attached to the body using an automatic high-pressure welding machine. The combined lid or body are known as the main tank of the gas lighter. The tanks are then taken to the second floor of the factory, where the Sunlight logo is put on using an automated screen printing machine. After the tanks have been affixed with the logo, the primary assembly stage of the lighters begins. During this part of the process, the tanks are fitted with a wick lid, sponge, and plastic valve. From this primary assembly point, the lighters are taken to the most sensitive and crucial part of the production process: gas filling. Gas filling for lighters must be done in an extremely safe and monitored environment, and Qasem Lamps Limited takes this process very seriously. The filling section of the factory is located far from the other parts of the production process. The filled lighters are then taken to the flame adjustment unit, where each lighter is checked individually to make sure that the flame coming out is not too strong or too weak. After the flame has been properly adjusted, the lighters are then fitted by hand with a racket setting, ring, lever, and spring to make a semi-finished gas lighter. The semi-finished lighters are then taken to the next section, where they are again hand-fitted with a wheel, stone, and flame guard to make a finished gas lighter. Some of the premium models of Sunlight lighters are also fitted with a small LED torchlight. For these models, the finished lighter is taken to the light fitting unit of the factory, where this component is again added by hand. In all but maybe 2 or 3 of the world's largest lighter factories, these final parts of the production process is reliant entirely on human skill and efficiency. The women who work at Qasem Lamps Limited are known for their incredible dexterity and unbelievable speed and accuracy. Once all the handwork is done, the lighters are taken for one final quality check before being packed and shipped to waiting customers all over Bangladesh. We hope you enjoyed this tour of this fascinating and unique factory in Bangladesh. Please keep supporting us and our products.